Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting Virgin Mary. This is part of a exclusive series that I have available for my Patreons, whereby you guys get to watch the sped up fast version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you'd like to watch the full-length version of this tutorial and or many other exclusive ones that I've done for the Patreons, or learn more about the Patreon membership program that has a lot of painting benefits that you get to utilize to increase your skills as a artist, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very inspirational double portrait. I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.